You can even take, if you have the Osmo or video or your camera, just turn the light on your iPhone and just hold that up. And then start the video that way. It just needs some type of light so it can focus right and can kind of like make the image that way. But the biggest thing that you could do if you're out, you're laughing.
Because
If
he
you're out,
always gets on to
yeah.
me about this.
And like this, I get a lot of people this way where they want to take selfies or they want to take a video of talking about their experience at a restaurant. The first thing they do is turn their back to the light. So look at where, I don't know which camera we're going to use. So the lights right here, they're here and they're there. So if I'm holding my light and my hand out right now, I'm lit. But if I was to turn around from that, if I was to turn this way and you're shooting me this way, there's no light over here. There's no light. So automatically you're going to see like you need to face a light source. That's why they always say like if you have a video camera and you're doing like talking head videos, like put your desk or put your camera in front of a window. So ideally, if we didn't have any lights here, Brissette and I, will be facing the window with the window open. You guys wouldn't see the window open because the camera will be facing this way, but there's light hitting us this way. So just in the same thing here, we created two lights here to create a light source this way. The easiest way for you to tell if you're outside before you take a photo of anybody on your phone and say, hey, can you take a photo of me this way? And they'll be like, okay, fine. Just look at your hand. If you look at your hand and if it's dark on this side, you can't take a photo this way. So you will have to turn this way. Now you can take the photo that way because the light is here. It's the easiest way to look at it. If your hand looks dark, if it doesn't have a shadow, you need to face the light. So you need to turn around.
You always tell me to do this, like.
Correct. So like if you're looking at it right now, if you're looking, it's dark.
Yes.
Now, if you were to turn around that way towards the light, keep coming around this way. No, like if you turn, say if you're looking this way, but if you were to turn this way, how's your hand?
Oh, it's lit.
It's lit. So that's the easiest way.
See
So
the
that's the best way to figure out where I need to take the picture for the sun. Where is the sun at? If you're looking up, the sun is behind over me. Oh yeah, it's over me. But you look at this way and there's so much shadow. Just keep moving your hand around till you feel, oh, that's a good way. Then you need to point the camera this way. So the people need to look at you this way. I know it's kind of confusing, right? Oh no.
No, like once you told me to turn it this way, because I was looking at it this way because the light is here.
It's like, yeah.
But it's dark.
Yeah.
But if I'm like this, now it's light. Now
Correct.
I get it.
Yeah.
This light bulb went off.
Ding dong.
Seriously, I've learned a lot from you, like because you take the photos. So I don't really have to worry about that so much, you know, but for someone who doesn't have you with them all the time,
Oh man.
like people love going on vacations with us when Jason comes because it's like, oh, I know I'm gonna get some great photos.
Oh gosh.
But for people who don't have a Jason going with them, this was really good because it told me, you know, just with the iPhone, if I want to use the iPhone or if I want to get a little bit more advanced, what I need to do or what I need to get.
Yeah.
So I really appreciate this.
Yeah. Look at that.
If you guys want any more videos like this where Jason's telling you about cameras or microphones or whatever, just leave a link.
Get into microphones.
We didn't even get to microphones. So just leave a comment and just let us know, like, what do you want him to focus on? Because he knows everything. Like, and if he doesn't know it, he
I just
will
know
research
enough of a
it
little
and
bit.
find out about it for you. He's even made camera lists up for people. You know, they send him a link. He sends him a little request. And he'll send you a link and you can make a camera request. You know, it's like, what do you need to order? So he's really good at that.
Hey, I try.
He tries. But yeah, thanks for watching us. And, you know, I learned a lot. So I hope you learned a lot too, because, wow, I always ask these questions, but I never really listen.
Oh my gosh. So you guys make sure you like, subscribe, and, you know, hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we make more videos just like this or we just drop new content. So, and whatever the boys have us doing, I'm going to keep saying that because every day
it's
Carter
all about
comes home,
them. And it's like, oh, Jesus, what are we going to get
what
into?
are we going to do now? Or he's telling us, showing us video. We need to do a video like this. I'm like, a video like what?
Video like what? He's like, well, they made some rockets and they did this and that. There's been so many times we've gone out in the backyard and Jason's like cutting something apart because that's what they wanted to do.
That's what they want to do.
So, all right. Well,
right, guys.
thanks. Subscribe, like the channel, send to someone who you know is trying to become a photographer, or they just want to take some good family photos, or they just want to go on vacation and have some good photos.